Masarap at affordable nga ba? I'm here at Ross Boulevard, Mabini, Corner, Pedro Hill. Malapit tayo sa may Diamond Hotel. Ayan. So I'm going to visit Kushimasa Japanese restaurant to check yung kanilang menu and dapat pa naman yung food nila. Samahan nyo ako and let's check kung okay nga ba yung place. Tara! Ayan yung Ross Boulevard. So from Diamond Hotel, makita nyo yung Starbucks. Ayan. Ito yung Pedro Hill, Corner, Mabini. So pag diniretso nyo pa siya hanggang dun sa siguro mga ikalawang or ikatlong stoplight or dalawang stoplight, ano na yun, Robinson's Place na. So napakalapit lang niya actually. Ayan yung Lobby Hotel at ayun yung Kushimasa. Ayun, Kushimasa is just here. Ayan, second floor. Japanese restaurant, ayun yung video. This is Kushimasa. So ito yung entrance nila. Salubungin kayo ng ano nila, parang guest officer nila. Then magtaan siya, siya yung mag-serve. So tara, pasukin na natin. Hello guys, so this is for today's video. I'm here at Kushimasa and we're going to try some food here and let's see kung affordable and masarap nga ba. So check natin yung ambience niya. So we have people inside na, may mga kumakain na. I have been informed that Kushimasa is 18 years na in the business here in Malate. And meron silang parang another branch which is called Pink Lady. So Pink Lady is a music KTV lounge naman wherein meron siya mga guest officer na pwede kayo samahan kumanta and okay. So check nyo rin yun, malapit lang din siya dito sa Kushimasa. Alam niyo ba guys na ang Kushimasa ay gumagamit ng authentic and premium ingredients na galing pa talaga sa Japan. Masasabi ko na hindi kayo tinipid talaga, as in hindi tinipid yung ingredients. And they are serving 300 plus na dishes na akala mo song list sa video, okay? Kasi nga napakaraming food talaga na mapagpipilian sa maraming choices. Merong bento, may single, tapos meron din sila yung parang kung gusto mo, eto lang yung titikman mo. Kagaya na sa mga salmon na or mga sushi nila na pwede mong i-mix. It's up to you, nakakatuwa. And Kushimasa's operating hours is from 11:45 a.m. hanggang 3 in the morning. Guys, so today we are trying yung nila appetizer or pulutan series. What we have here is syempre, pag sinabing pulutan dapat merong beer, draft beer. And this is spicy salmon, spicy salmon. Ayan siya, tingnan nyo guys, napaka-cute. Excited ako matikman kasi hindi ko alam kung anong lasa niya. And we are, this is partner with kimchi. Partner siya ng kimchi. Kapay.
Apple, onegaishimasu. San Miguel apple.
Oh yeah!
Nako.
Aguy.
Yan, thanks.
Kimchi! Spicy salmon. It's up to you guys kung paano siya. Isusilip pa. So it's up to you guys kung paano siya i-consume. So, pwedeng combination at pwedeng ipagsama mo sila or up to you. What I can see from here is yung, alam niyo yung parang crumbs ng tempura. Parang yun yung nilagay eh. So, eto. So, this is what is crunchy. Parang siyang onion leeks. Yan, eto yun. Galing ko na mag-chopstick kasi galing ko na Hong Kong. And ito yung galing ko. Ito yung salmon with the special sauce. And again, all the ingredients are from Japan. All the way from Japan. Let's try. Itadakimasu. Wow! Ay, ang sarap. It's really good. It tastes better. Chewy yung salmon niya. It's a bit sweet. And syempre spicy, pero hindi siya too much. Sakto-sakto lang yung lasa. So, ang galing ng combination. Let's try mixing the kimchi and the salmon. Ang sarap. Nakita niyo yun, ang galing ko na mag-chopstick, boy. Sarap. I may say this is one of the best kimchi na na-try ko. Japanese style kimchi. Combining yung kimchi and yung salmon is really good. I may say na for a 380 pesos, this is affordable and yung ano niya, yung quality niya is hindi siya tinipid kasi you know that the ingredients come from Japan. So, okay siya. It's affordable. Lalo na kung may extra ka. Treat yourself. Kasi nag-mix. They are compromising each other. Miss, Kushimasa is offering a 10% discount. So how to avail it? It's very simple. All you gotta do is just follow me. So if you're watching this video or you saw this video, any videos that you saw on my social media, just follow me and then you need to follow the Kushimasa Japanese restaurant page. Harapin nyo na lang. Just searchable naman siya. And then show any video kaya sa mga managers or sa mga crew and tell them that you want to avail the 10% discount. Diba hindi na masama, 10% discount. Ganun lang gagawin mo. Follow me, follow ko siya sa page, show any food na nakita mo na nire-review ko. And that's it. 10% discount. Choosy ka pa ba, boy? Ang sarap.
Bawang natin.
Nakaka-ano siya, nakaka-relax. Ito mo, ayan. May lettuce pala siya. Masarap yung lettuce eh. Ang sarap. Lalong sumarap. So again guys, I am inviting you to please do visit Kushimasa Japanese restaurant now. And also you may try Pink Lady, labad lang yun. Pagtanong nyo lang dito sa crew, pwede rin kayo ihatid lang. Okay? So see you all. Thank you Kushimasa. Kapal. Taba-taba ako na oh. Ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap niya. So, ito. Meron pa. Ubusin mo ito. No? Last bite. Good. Ito masang good job. Bye-bye. See you.